Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the problem and eliminating easy causes. Restart the phone and open settings right arrow sounds and vibration to see if sliders respond. Once done, press the volume keys while watching the on-screen indicator to verify if the OS registers input. Visually inspect the buttons and the surrounding seam for lint, grease, or sticky residue. Use a bright light. If the indicator moves but the buttons feel mushy, you've isolated a hardware issue. If not, proceed to software checks. Now focus on software causes. Reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If volume works there, uninstall recent apps causing conflicts. Next, clear relevant caches. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Show System Apps, right arrow Media Storage, and clear cache/data for audio-related services. Make sure your phone is fully updated. Install pending OS updates. If settings and updates fail, backup data and perform a factory reset as a final software step. This removes corrupt settings. If software steps fail, address hardware. Power off and use a can of compressed air or a soft brush. Carefully apply 90% isopropyl alcohol with a swab to dissolve grime, then let it dry. If the button remains unresponsive or feels loose, the volume flex cable or switch may need replacement. Visit an authorized Samsung service or a trusted repair shop. Make sure to test volume control with a Bluetooth headset. If Bluetooth works, the phone's audio path is fine, and the fault is definitely the physical key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.